Here is an American Standard Allegiance 11 air conditioner at my eye doctor's business. From 2005. And it's running, obviously. It's like 75 out right now, it's humid. There's a piece of crap tapping, which is newer. This is from 2006, so I don't know. The rest of the building, or the complex, has American Standard, so I don't know why that was that. But anyways, yeah. This is a good unit. From 2005, when the building was built. It is a 4-ton, 11 SEER, 4-ton, 2005 R22. Model number 2A7A1048A1000AA. It's got a Climatuff reciprocating compressor. It's matched up to a 90% efficient furnace. This is a tiny 4-ton. This is about the size of my 3-ton. A little bigger, maybe. If you compare this to my friend's 4-ton 13 SEER, though, his dwarfs this thing. And the suction line's cold, and the liquid line's outdoor temperature, so it's charged correctly. Yeah, this is just a straight cool system. Here's a view of the pond. Nice. That's pretty much that. This is it. A 2005 4-ton American Standard Allegiance 11 air conditioner at my eye doctor. I mean, it's pretty quiet. That piece of crap's pretty loud. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.